The world's first real open AI connected WordPress software that auto-creates set and forget websites with limitless real-time unique content directly from Chat GPT and OpenAI in any niche for a low, one-time price. Cancel paying huge fees monthly to expensive third-party content creation platforms. Vertical bar without login, copy, pasting content from Chat GPT and other AI apps creates limitless real-time unique content, auto-publishing posts, forms. So, the final choice is yours. Keep following the same trend like the existing 99.99% desperate marketers who pay huge amount monthly for expensive third-party content creation platforms with no guarantee of results whatsoever. Embrace the change. Join the new content creation revolution and pay only $17 one time today to use our latest Google-supported technology with our first-to-market technology. You can easily get on the fast track to success. Create Google-friendly content with no manual work. Make real content that gets high search rankings. Use AI to create engaging content for any offer in any niche. Boost conversions and profits without any third-party dependency. Drive more traffic to your offers. Increase brand awareness in cost-effective manner. Boost your conversion rates. Get tons of audience hooked. Get higher audience engagement now. It's time to turn your worries into blessings in just 3 easy steps, and there's no huge investment or time needed. Step 1, login. Step 2, set automation. Step 3, profit. There is simply no competition. Make the smart switch to this life-changing technology and save thousands of dollars now. Do you know, Google is now accepting AI-based content for its search engine rankings? Yes. It was long thought that search engine giant Google would not be accepting machine-created content in its search engine parameter. It has come out clearly and stated that the content, if useful for the audience, will be considering the same for its search engine rankings.